Enigma Pro AI, a scam in disguise? I never thought that earning through cryptocurrency could be so stable and safe. How I wish I had known about this resource before. Investing $250 in 50 days, withdrew $22,000. Automated AI trading gives a guarantee of stability and non-risk. This is where you can finally find financial independence. But beware of scammers. There are a lot of fake sites on the net where you can be deceived by financial scams. We simplified your task and left the right resource at the link in the description of this video. Do not lose a minute. Go and now start your way in the world of promising earnings. When you find yourself drowning in the ocean of cryptocurrency schemes, it's easy to be swept away by false promises and deception. Enigma Pro AI claims to be your savior, but don't be fooled by their facade of trustworthiness. Deceptive technology and empty promises. Unlike other platforms that hide behind automated systems, Enigma Pro AI pretends to be transparent. However, their so-called revolutionary AI technology is just a smokescreen for their ulterior motives. It's like trying to have a sincere conversation with a used car salesman. Your investment's at risk. Enigma Pro AI claims to prioritize the security of your digital assets. But don't be naive. This platform is more like a leaky boat than a fortress, leaving your investments vulnerable to theft and manipulation. Trusting them with your money is like handing your wallet to a pickpocket. Misleading education. While Enigma Pro AI claims to empower users with knowledge, it's all just a ploy to keep you in the dark. Their educational resources are like a maze designed to confuse and mislead, leading you further away from real understanding. It's a trap for the unsuspecting investor. Flimsy compliance measures. Enigma Pro AI talks a big game about regulatory compliance. But don't be fooled by their empty words. Behind the facade of legitimacy lies a web of deceit and unethical practices. They dance around regulations like a con artist, avoiding the law. Fabricated community, false hope. Enigma Pro AI tries to paint itself as a vibrant community of like-minded individuals, but it's all smoke and mirrors. The success stories they parade are nothing more than fabricated tales designed to lure in unsuspecting victims. It's a lonely echo chamber, not a supportive community. The truth about Enigma Pro AI. In reality, Enigma Pro AI is nothing but a scheme to exploit unsuspecting investors. Don't be seduced by their promises of AI-driven investing. It's just a fancy way of saying they'll take your money and run. Stay vigilant and avoid falling into their trap. In the meantime, we advise you to trust only trusted resources. One such has completely turned the world of many users upside down. This platform allowed investors investing only $250 to get $22,000 in 50 days. This is not only safe, but also a promising way to raise your financial situation from the bottom and finally earn as much as you really deserve. The link is in the description.